Hey, what's up? My name is Richard and I'm here to try to see if I can help you become naturalized citizens. This channel was created so that I could help my students, but if you need help for the naturalization interview, I wouldn't mind assisting you in any way I can, actually. I've been a teacher for the past 10 years and I've had over, I believe, 500 students pass under me. So this channel will have comprehensive guides as well as lessons for the reading section, the writing section, the 100 US history questions, and the understanding English using your N400 application. These are the 4 sections that will be covered on your interview. But we'll also cover questions that are not on your interview, but you might see, such as, do you have an attorney? What to bring to the interview? What to expect after the interview? Oath of allegiance, etc. Hope you guys enjoy, and if you're a Spanish speaker, tienen suerte porque yo hago esta serie algunas veces en español para ayudar a mi comunidad hispana, latinoamericano o cualquier país que habla español, en realidad, para ayudarles mejor para que ustedes entiendan las lecciones para la entrevista de ciudadanía. Nos vemos en los siguientes videos. Thank you for your time.